Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. Just decided to take a video up in my tree house. There's a waterfall. There they are over there. They're actually ready to get fed. And here's the tree house. So let's head down. Actually, I could go down the slide, and maybe on another episode I will. But yeah, the treehouse is pretty awesome. Actually, I'm going to be using those. I'm going to be heading in. The reason why I use those is because, well, I still have I had surgery earlier this year, so I shouldn't be going in here without anything on, so I just use my hip waders. So why don't we feed these guys? Look, they're all waiting. Look at them, just circling. All right, here we go. So it is a little murkier there, so I am going to be going in and cleaning it. So yeah, that's just where I'm at right now. So I'm going to actually probably take some junk out of there, and then I just need to go in. Look how big Blue Nose is. Like, it's incredible. Like, that fish is for sure 16 to 18 inches, but the girth is like crazy. Just a thick fish. You see those crazy pictures online, and that is what this fish is gonna be. There's no fish in here that's nearly as thick as her. Let's see. Let's throw some in the lily pads. So the fun thing about the lily pads, they just kind of go in there, and then they're picking. They'll actually see it. See the pellets on the lily pads, and all of a sudden you'll hear like a sucking sound, and it's the fish just going crazy. Okay, so we have how many flowers today? We got the one white one over here. We have the purple guy, and then there's a light pink one over here that's trying to like come through, and you can kind of see it right here. It's just filled with the, oh yeah, look. Oh, they were like, you see, that's toothless right there, just looking. And they just literally, like, look, there's one. It's so funny. What? And then they'll actually like just come out of the water. Oh, there's a, look at them there. It's on, like, there's Blue Nose right there. Look at Blue Nose. That's such a pretty fish. Out of the water. But yeah, so how about this? I'm gonna end it here, and I'm gonna clean this now, and we'll just see. Like, you can see them now. You're not gonna be able to see them. Oh, look. you're not going to be able to see any of them, which, you know, does suck as well. We're all here to see them. So, but I'm going to do, I'll show you quickly how murky this can get. Well, yeah, if you've been following, you have seen, so. But, unfortunately, see, I got the hose in here. That's just, oh, they're fighting. And then Blue Nose just, like, sucks a whole bunch. Oh, there's Minion. I love Minion. Bright yellow. Oh, such a beauty fish. Yeah. All right, folks. But subscribe, like, and comment, please, please. And if you feel like sharing my video, please do that too. Thank you, thank you. All right. Okay, so the pond wasn't that bad. It just needed to be stirred up a bit. So you can see, stirred it up. Like my kids used to go in a lot, and like they would just go in and do it without me having to go in. And like they haven't really been in the pond for quite some time. So it just benefits from it. Kicking stuff up, everything kind of just goes down to the middle here. Like this is the deep end. But here, let's first, before I feed them, because I'm gonna feed them one last time. You know you got to. I just wanted to go on the back end here. Look at that. It's so awesome, eh? Love it. Next year, I'm just gonna work on getting this fixed. That guy always comes up. He loves, I don't know what it is, whatever falls out of there, he just like tries to munch on it. Yeah, next year, like all this is just gonna, hopefully, gonna come back and take off. I just need one more vine right there. But actually, it's like wet right here. It's like it's leaking a bit right here. I had a feeling that it might be. Yeah, look, it's all wet. I've had to do that for all of it. It's just, it's so backed up. That's what I thought. Just had a feeling. And then like, I'm gonna have to come in here and clean this all up. Oh my God, look at all the ladybugs in here. There's so many. Yeah, I didn't put holes in this pipe so nothing drains through it. Didn't think. Of course, my wife says it after. I do it. So yeah, see, I've lifted this all up. It's just so backed up. Oh, all right. Well, that's something I'm gonna have to do. So anyhow, let's, yeah. It's just high, high, low, 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 right there. You can just see the water coming up and around. So that's, I'm gonna do that after this video. All right, let's go feed. All right, and like I said, guys, please subscribe and keep on doing what you're doing, supporting me. Love it so much. All right, let's see what friends are coming. I didn't really see, I was gonna go in and like try to catch some goldfish, and they just know. I just have to wait till once they start going dormant, which means, oh, see, there's one right there. I need to get some cold water bacteria. Oh, look. Oh man, it's so amazing when they do that. But yeah, there they are. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And you know what? Hit that notification button when whenever I post something. You're gonna see it. So if you really like my stuff, just please get notified. All right. Thank you again, and have a great day.